Hello, I start a series on formats. We often forget or ignore the different formats, as well as the two fundamental types of data on Excel: alphanumeric and numeric data types. On this 3-column table we will see phone numbers. I have a text box where I entered dummy numbers. The purpose is to fill column A with these numbers. I select the first number, right-click Copy. The target cell to stick is A2. No cell format has been changed. They are in standard format. After right-click Paste, both options give the same result. There is an inconsistent format, with poor display without the initial 0. Excel interpreted this value as numeric. We also see that it is aligned to the right like numbers. The method is to transform this inconsistent numerical value. In alphanumeric value, it will be left aligned. For this I place my cursor in the formula bar, as necessary for any change in the actual value of the cell. Here I type as the first character on the left an apostrophe, and I put back the number 0 that was removed. When I validate, I notice the correct display of the phone number, left aligned and in the right format. This table with different formats will be the subject, podcast, of a series of study of common formats, including dates and times. The final table obtained will allow for effective filtering. Excel adapt context menus, right-click to both types of data, and are very efficient on that. Thank you and excellent evening.